another turnover for the Flying Fleet. Watch out, Sola Adebisi.
Take the roof off this place. There's a DJ, a new PA in the building for the Citadel, and this lineup is bringing the juice. Sola Adebisi skying up above the rim.
Now defense here from the Citadel. Nice defense there from the Bulldogs, results in a slam from Adebisi.
Just a simple 32 press, and Adebisi taking care of it by himself.
And another turnover here from the Flying Fleet. Adebisi with another slam. Deja vu. Josiah Peoples guarded by Applegate. And here's a turnover out of nowhere. Adebisi, he's going to the rim and another slam. Just having to make them early. Another one from Adebisi.
And really pretty finish, but a better find underneath.